guys, so I'm going to show you today how to use your new razor that you're going to have for life. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you how you put it together, because obviously when you get it, you'll get this separately and then you'll get the razor blades. So how you use it, so you can just unscrew this. Ta-da! So if you unscrew that, take that bit off and then you'll see this. Right, so if I just take this bit off here and then my blade is just there. So when you get it, you can take this part out of the box and you just literally pop it straight on. It fits really easily. Put on the back again of the razor like that. And then this stem bit holds it together, the handle, not stem. And if I just hold that like that, twist it on, and then it is ready to use. Okay, so it's super easy. I can show you what, so I don't know if you can see this properly. Let me show you my leg because it's pretty hairy at the minute. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the hairs, all the hairs. So we're gonna get rid of those. So what I've done is I've just got a jug. I mean, I'd normally do this when my leg is wet, but it's a bit, but obviously just imagine that you're doing it as you would. So I've got my shaving soap here. So if I just pop it in the water, let me show you, I've just got a jug for now. So pop it in the water and then I'm just gonna, what I'm doing is I'm just lathering it. And then I will put that on my leg, which I'm just gonna wet a tiny bit. And then this, I just literally pop it on my leg, look at that. Super easy. So now my leg is lathered. And then I just take this again, make it a bit wet. And then you just use it as you would an ordinary razor. So here you go, magic. So I'm just doing that. And the great thing about this is that it's double-sided. So once you've used that side, you can just go again and shave away. That's it. It's literally so easy. I'm not going to bore you all by shaving my entire leg whilst you're here. But I will show you now just what my leg looks like now. So obviously I've only done that little strip, but I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so if you look here, this bit is all super smooth. So obviously this bit's still hairy, this bit is smooth. That was really bad camera work, I apologise. But yeah, so it really is that easy. Look at me sat here in my t-shirt. This, by the way, is my favourite t-shirt. I've got a good story about this actually. So this t-shirt, I went travelling, so I went to South America for 6 months when I was 21. And because this is my favourite t-shirt, I actually got it for €5 at a flea market in Germany. And it was my favourite t-shirt because I love basketball, and so I left it at home when I went away. And then I came back to the UK and I was like, where's my t-shirt gone? Couldn't find it anywhere. Then I saw on a picture, I think on Instagram, of Trina, as in my sister, of her wearing this t-shirt as she was in Australia. So I left it at home and you know, sisters will be sisters, and she just took my t-shirt. Anyway, so now you know how to shave. But yeah, this is life-changing, and I'm going to have this little baby for the rest of my life. So yeah, let me know if you have any other questions on this or you have any top tips. But it really is that simple, and yeah, you're going to have clean shaven legs forever. So yeah, that easy.